Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Yogi Pratama and I'm a student of English Department Semester 5. In this video, I'm going to share my understanding after I read an article, and the article is about language, dialect, and varieties. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first is about language. What is language? What do you think about language? What is there on your mind when you hear language? For answering these questions, I have two definitions based on experts. The first is come from O'Grady and Dobrovolsky in 1989. According to them, language is many things. It can be a system of communications, a medium for thought, a physical literary expressions, a method for political controversies, a catalyst for nation building. Another definition is come from Mehdi in 1961. According to him, language is an important means of communications. Language reflects thinking. The existence of language, it can be started from human life. It can be seen from the fact that all activities related to interaction among people necessitate a language. From these two definitions, we can take a conclusion that language is a system of communications, and language is really important for human to interaction among people. Well, the next is about dialect. Most speakers can give a name to whatever it is they speak. The census taker in India find there are a lot of wide array of language names. The names are not only ascribed by region, but also caste, religion, village, and so on. They may experience difficulty in deciding whether what they speak should be called a language proper or merely a dialect of some language. According to Edward 2009, he defines as a variety of language that from other along three dimensions such as grammar, vocabulary, pronunciations, or accents because they are forms of the same language. So next is about variety. Varieties is a language that has same sounds, words, and grammatical features. A general term for any distinctive of language or linguistic expression is language varieties. So that's all my explanation about these materials. I do apologize if I did mistake with my explanations, and thank you for watching.